Christ be magnified from the altar of my life. And Christ be magnified in me. What is going on, everybody? It's Dave in here, always helping you play creatively. Lately, I've been thinking about something, okay? How do you play more creatively without adding passing chords and substitutions, ideas that are very common in gospel? The reason why I've been thinking about this is because, you know, the church I go to and I often play for, sometimes those types of ideas don't work, especially in CCM. Or if they work, you may only get to do it one time, right? So what are some other ways that we could think about being creative? And so I like to talk about piano riffs and think about ways I can add more rhythmic ideas to my playing. So here's something I want you to think about, okay? I want you to think about rhythms, and today I'm gonna give you a rhythm, and with this rhythm, you're gonna learn to apply multiple melodic ideas, multiple riffs, okay? So the rhythm goes like this: tat, 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 tat. Let me see if I can clap it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go ahead and play it on the piano. Let's play it on a D. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, some of you may be wondering, where are we going with this? Well, if you have a rhythmic idea in your head, you can take that idea and apply different notes to it, which gives you a really cool melodic idea. Here's what I mean. What if we were to take, let's say, the third, the fourth, and the fifth in this D major scale, okay? Playing that same rhythm. Or what if we took the 7, the 1, the 5, and we did that same idea. What if we put the two ideas together? All right, all of this comes from one rhythmic idea, and then we have that down pat. We then apply some notes to it, and now we have a little nice riff, okay? So now let's try to add that to a song. Let's take Oh, Christ Be Magnified. Oh, Christ be magnified from the altar of my life, and Christ be magnified in me. So that's just a simple way to say, hey, how do I come up with new riffs on the piano, right? So let's go ahead and do it again. Let's try What a Beautiful Name, all right? So take some different notes here. Let's go 1, 5, 4, 3, 5. All right, let's try that. All right, it's sort of similar to the first thing we did, but it does sound a little bit different. All right, here we go. And right, so you get the idea. Now let's go ahead and try it for a completely different rhythm altogether. The next rhythm we're gonna look at is 1 and 2 E and 4 and 1 and 2 E and 4 and. So let's play it on the piano on a D. 1 and 2 E Okay, let's try some notes with this one. Let's take the notes from a D sus chord. Let's try that. All right, I had to clean that up a little bit. Let's try it in that same progression now. Now let's take some different notes, all right? I'm not even gonna go through the whole let's pick a note process. This is just how I'm gonna do it. Alright, so you see how you begin to create your own piano riffs on the piano, alright? And I think this is so important, especially in Christian contemporary music, where when you're listening to the track, you often don't hear what the piano player is doing. A lot of these songs are guitar driven, and so unless you want to play the basic chords of the song, you're often gonna have to come up with your own riffs that fit within the song. Hopefully this was really helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to learn more about piano riffs, I actually have a course on worship music. I have an entire workshop on it, and I have a course on piano riffs, and I'm going to be releasing another one soon. So you can check those out at play-creatively.com. But until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.